Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the VMAX Plus with the Doogee DK10. The DK10 is Doogee's latest flagship, and the VMAX Plus is another top tier 5G rugged phone that is from Doogee as well. So in this video, we will compare the top, or should I say the best 5G rugged phones from Doogee till date. Side by side, we'll compare the top specs of both devices to point out the differences and similarities and to see which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you go guys, which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.